Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the AVEDEV function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will return the average of the observed absolute deviation in the mean of the data point. So to work with this function, it's pretty simple. You first of all will need a set of numbers, and what exactly you will do, you will apply the AVEDEV function to them. So let's try it out just here. So pretty simple, we start by writing down our equal sign, and then we are going to write down AVEDEV. And once we have it, you can select all the numbers that you want to use to calculate the average, this type of average. So if we want to select all our numbers, what exactly we're going to do? We're simply going to select them all. And just like that, we can receive the average dev, which is the average of the observed absolute deviation in the mean for those points that we have right here. So pretty simple. You can also select point by point. So if, for example, I want to run the AVEDEV function right here, so just like that, I'm going to add an equal sign right here. I can, instead of using all the points, I can just select some of them. So by clicking on the control button on your keyboard, you can select a few numbers that you want to use for this example. So please take note, this is not the average function. This won't return the average, which is a little bit different. In this case, as I said, it will return the average of the observed absolute deviation in the mean. So for the points that we have right here, or for the points that we have selected for the purpose of this example. So once again, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.